What is good, everybody? Today it's kind of rainy. It's a little muggy. Let's see how it's supposed to be today, real quick. All right, so it's just supposed to rain right now, but today we are gonna slam the WRX. We are gonna be scraping on flat roads. We're gonna be lower than your girl standards, like anything. We're gonna basically be driving underneath the road. We're not even gonna be on top. We're just gonna be driving underneath. We're gonna be looking like submarines. It's time to start early so I can have it done later on today. Let's go get breakfast first. We gotta get something quick so we can get this car in the garage and basically just take the suspension out itself and then put the tires back on. It should be an easy install. Really it. I mean, let's get to it. Got the car in the back now, and it's time to get rid of this nasty gap. Like, look at that. We need to get rid of that. We need to get this monster truck height out the way. Shout out to Import Image Racing, cause we got hooked up with some goodies today. So in box numero uno, we got some rear adjustable control arms for the rear, obviously, and as well the next greatest thing that Santa sent us. We getting low today, boys. We is getting low today. We got the Silver's Neomax suspension kit right here. Suspension coilovers. We got them bad boys over there for the front and the rear. Control arms for the rear. The car right there. So let's jack it up. Let's get the hardest part out of the way first. Let's do the rear, and hopefully some of the homies come through today, help me out so we can finish this all up. If not, I'm gonna be the solo dolo of the squad today, and we gonna get to it. We gonna do this. JK. We're gonna get to this and knock it out. Let's do it. Alright, so we got the coil out, we got the control arm out. We're gonna do the toe bushing, but yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it yet. Not yet. When it comes down to that, I need more camber. Probably when I go with a different wheel setup instead of just the stocks, then we'll switch it out. We go balls deep and, you know, do the whole 10 yards on that one. So I'm gonna just hold on to those toe bushings so we can get max camber one day. One day this will be, you know, stand style. We're gonna be scraping on flat roads and all that stuff. But look at the major difference. That's the new control arm. I mean, you can already see that, but the rear stock shock versus the new ones. Let's finish this up because it's getting cold out here. Had to grab a second jacket, and yeah, let's do this. Sorry about the wind and everything, so if the audio does sound messed up, it's kind of what's going on. It's pretty breezy out here, you know what I mean? But so I'm gonna give you guys some tips real quick on when taking out, because I'm pretty sure no one knows how to really, I mean, not no one, but you know, anybody that's out here trying to work on their car probably doesn't know this. I didn't even know it until today when I started doing the other side. When you want to get your coil out and everything, I would say the best thing to do, especially since we are replacing the rear control arms, so they're adjustable, so we can get, so when we do get it aligned, we can adjust the camber, all sorts of good stuff. I would suggest loosening all the bolts on the control arm first, and then start taking that out one by one. As well, you do have to disconnect the knuckle. If you don't know what the knuckle is, which is this like horseshoe type deal in the back of the rotor, So you gotta make sure you disconnect that, because if not, then you're not gonna be able to get the last bolt that's right here on the control arm. Like that bad boy gonna get stuck. So we have to get the knuckle out, make sure that's loose, loosen all these bolts first, then we could take this off, we could take everything off and then take this off, and then from here to get the coil out, you're gonna have to take out your back cover. I threw it somewhere over there already, and there's, can't remember if they're I believe they're 12mm bolts. All you have to do is literally unscrew them, and your stock suspension is gonna fall out anyway. Like as soon as you loosen those up. Well, mine fell out, but I mean, an older vehicle, it's probably gonna be a little bit harder. You're probably gonna want to have a breaker bar on deck, just wild out, you know, break it yourself. But who cares? Let's get to it. Let's get this other one out. Just put the rears down so we can adjust the height, and then tighten everything back down to spec. And we'll be low on the back, move the car around, and let's do the front. Shout out to my boy Zay in the cut. We finally got the front coils in. Y'all can see my breath out here. Man, it's cold. It's cold now. But I don't even think you guys can see the fitment. It's not even that good, but it's better than what it was on stock. It needs to get, we still need to make adjustments to it, but it's a lot lower, especially the rears. Rears, we are hella slammed in the rear right now. I need wheels. I need the whole 10 yards, but
I'm about to call low tech.
Oh man.
I'm bored.
Now it's time to drive it around real quick and see if it's safe. Fix the rear. I'm not swaying no more in the back. Had the tow arms opposite. More of the homies pulled up. They're out here smoking their little nicotine. Zay out here enjoying the heat inside the car with the heated seats and all that. Why you got the hazards on?
These lights ain't bright as...
Nope. I need... I'm going for power right now still.
Huh?
Everything's done. Shout out to Import Image Racing for the coils, the silver Neomax, and the rear control arms. Everything fit perfectly. It's time to dial in the suspension so I can get, you know, the perfect alignment. Look hella low, scrape until the snow comes, and yeah, that's it. What's up, everybody? I really wasn't planning on a recording today, but we're gonna get an alignment done, so might as well start recording. And best believe I'm gonna get my hair cut today too, so have you guys tag along with me for today and get this nice little cold start in. My neighbors hate me so much. This stuff's so loud for no reason. But shoot, they can be playing their loud music and all that stuff and be, you know, out here yelling and fighting, and I can start my car up with no problems. So let's head off to Bell Tire, hopefully praying that they don't, you know, bust my stuff up or anything like that, or say that my car's too low for them to put up on the whatever their thing is, whatever machine they use to align these cars. But let's get this out the way. Let's get a haircut and see what else we can do. All right, so we just got here to Bell Tire, and let's go in, talk to the attendant real quick or whatever, and get this car aligned. Man, these Ubers be on one out here. I literally had to cancel my trip 3 times just to make sure one guy was out, actually coming out here. Like, one of the guys that I requested for, well, I guess accepted the the whatever they do. I don't know how Uber works, but whoever said they were gonna come pick me up, this dude was out here driving in circles around Wendy's for like almost 6 minutes. Boy was lost. But after the third try, dude finally on his way. So GG's to this man. You gonna get a nice tip because you actually started to come. The only thing that sucks is the actual wait. But you know, my car all the way down there in the last bay, cooling, getting realigned and everything. So it's just time for the haircut. Cool, bro.
Cause I've been so long, so long. Hey. Cause I've been so long, so long. Hey.
Now here is completely different. You know, out here really feeling myself. Look at, hey, let's get it. But time to go pick up my car. Guess who pulled up? Shotty pulled up. She was like, let's go get it. So off to go get my car. Car's right here. All right, finally some smooth driving. Now we out here. Haircut, looking flea boy. Oh, you know, everybody knows that feeling when you get your hair cut and you're just like, como es suavemente. You having your own party, no one's even around, you just still jamming and someone still look at you, you still jamming, you getting it. Shoot, that's how I'm feeling. So shout out to Bell Tire, hooking it up with that alignment, turning this bad boy on. Looking at everything before measurements on here. I did pretty good if I say so myself, just doing it all by hand. And you know, the after. So looks like we're all good here, buddies. Let's go get some food, chow down, and just have a chill night.